In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize and tag for SEO on WordPress.com. Whether you're new to WordPress or a seasoned blogger looking to spruce up your digital presence, understanding categorization and tagging is crucial for SEO. So let's get started by logging into WordPress. Open your web browser and head to the WordPress.com login page. Enter your login credentials to access your site. Once you're logged in, navigate to the WordPress admin page, often referred to as WP admin or your dashboard's backend. This is where all the magic happens. Now proceed to the dashboard. On the left-hand panel of your dashboard, you'll see various options. Click on Posts. This section hosts all your published content. Here, you have the ability to organize and provide context to your posts via categories and tags, which are essential for SEO efficiency. Begin by clicking on Categories. This is where you define the key themes or topics for your content, thus helping both users and search engines understand your site better. Next, click on Name and add a name for your category. Remember, this should be descriptive yet succinct, allowing your audience to immediately grasp in its subject area. Then, click on Slug. The slug is a URL-friendly version of the category name. Think of it as your category's nickname in your web address. Ensure it's simple but effective. Depending on your site structure, you may choose to add a parent category to further organize your content if it's relevant. After setting up your structure, navigate to Description and write a brief summary of what this category encapsulates. Although optional, this not only helps with SEO, but also clarifies your content organization for users. Once you've filled everything out, click Add Category to save your changes. It's as easy as that. With categories squared away, let's turn our attention to tags. Head back to your dashboard and click on Tags. Much like categories, tags are identifiers, but they're generally more specific and detail-oriented. They provide additional depth to the organization. Click on Name to create a new tag. Again, be descriptive. For example, if a category is wildlife, a tag might be as specific as bird migration. Then you'll find a space to add a slug. This follows the same process as with categories. Afterward, click on Description to add an optional brief description of your tag's purpose or content scope. This helps in making your site not just user-friendly, but search engine-friendly too. Finally, click Add Tag to save. And there you have it, a carefully structured system of categories and tags that ensures not only better organization for your posts, but also boosts your site's visibility in search engines. Take your time experimenting with different combinations to find what works best for your content strategy. Happy tagging!